If we'll only avoid any confrontation with the enemy, he'll forget his evil ways and learn to love us. All to oppose, all to oppose.
It is what it is. I am back with another video. I don't know why I be having these glasses on, but I'm gonna need it at some point in this video. All right, so happy to have these in the collection. But before we get into this video, got some business to take care of. So you know what to do. You need to hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, all of that good stuff. All right, so I can move to 10K, and I want to get to 10K preferably by the new year. So go tell a family member, friend of a friend, and we can get it in. Also, make sure you go follow the bro MCFLYKOF and sis 313 Retro Queen as well. If you're interested and want to join the sneaker battle, get and hit us up on IG. All right, who has the heat? We still need people. As soon as we get the people, we will get it on and popping. Now it was crazy yesterday. Got up at what, 3 a.m. and hit sneakers. I got to wait on my sneakers, but I had a pair already touched down, so you already know the double up was in full effect. So hopefully everybody got their pairs who went after them. Look like on just the secondary market, these joints are going up. So it is what it is. Trade some stuff. Some people may do it out, but I had to have them. Y'all know me. I love Ford. That is my favorite silhouette. As you can see back there, all up there, right? Fours and over there too as well. All right. So with that being said, here we go. The brick by bricks on deck. You can see that box to remind you of bricks at construction and all of that good stuff. Now, quiet as it kept, if y'all been following me for a long time, I used to say brick by brick. All right, and basically that's what Sylvester named this brick by brick, built off of the mantra building things brick by brick, right? Also, it was a shout out to New York for all of the bricks in the area. So that's pretty interesting. So Nigel got his point across. I didn't get my point across on the brick by brick, but hey, that's neither here nor there. I am a little salty about that, but hey, it is what it is. So now I got to put the glasses on now, right? So here we go. Air Jordan 4 Retro OGSP special project, right? Firewood orange cell, size 10 men, 11.5 women. Very, very dope shoe. Very, very dope shoe. All right, let you know something special is on deck. Caught these from Goats. You see that inside, got that little brick thing. Throw that down there. Got your little sticker ricker. And it's locked in like so, right? Locked in like some bricks. Make you feel like something real special about to go on. Right? I just love the execution on these. And they are wrapped. You see that? Individually with your stamper ramper on and everything. And you got the little his other line in here, right? I don't know if you can see it. I think it's gold. But you got like so. I don't know if I want to take both of these out, but got my Ziploc bag here, right there. I don't know if this is good or bad. I like the feel of it. You probably paying this extra. What did we do? $230, $235, somewhere around now. Forget, but hey, I just love this shoe. Do only one shoe, the left side, and bangers. Woo. Look at this shoe. Spin it, spin it, spin it, spin it, spin it. These joints is right now my early shoe of the year. You may say, E-Money, you tripping, you crazy, whatever may have you, but it is what it is. Like I said, look at that. Look at that materials. It's a lot of people like, man, this is going to be hard to match. I'm going to make it work. I mean, this is just fire. Check out the bottom of the shoe. Look at that. You got your herringbone traction. You got your Nike on the bottom. I mean, this is truly historic, right? Generally, you get either your Jumpman on the back or you get your Nike Air on the back. With this one, you actually have Bike Air, not SB Air, but Bike Air, which is truly, truly dope for all the bicyclists out there. And you got this dope fresh material here on the front, on the toe box. and you got the small swoosh. Now, a little bit of history about this toe box, right? It's made like this because in case you want to be on your bike, all gas and no brakes. You see that? You can drag that toe, and I don't know how I'm gonna look underneath it, but it's rough enough to drag the toe. But hey, Emoneyshoes is not dragging no toe on no bike to stop. You better get me some brakes, all right? So we ain't doing that, all right? So just letting you know that, right? So everybody knows the Jordan 4 silhouette, 1989, the air bubble, right? 3, 4, 5, 6, you know, all of that good stuff you had here to kind of take some of the weight off of the shoes, right? You normally have your traditional netting, but as everyone know, underneath here, because of for biking purposes, when that glare of that light hit it, it's got some 3M under this netting, which is very, very fire in my opinion. All right. Now over here, like I said, you got that stroke motion now. I don't know if you can see it, but it go back and forth. You got your arms right here. I mean, pretty much this shoe just reminds you of Brick, but it is on and popping. You see a lot of celebrities been wearing this shoe. And in here, you also have Jordan Biking Company 2017, which is very, very dope. Like I said, you don't have the Air Jordan in there. So, I mean, there's a lot of stuff that they did different on this shoe. Even the air unit inside there, you got that counter, that brick color in there as well. And the tongue is very, very nice. I wouldn't want to get these wet. Not here. Normally your traditional Jordans, this piece, this back tab is normally pretty sharp. As most people know, if you wear Jordan 4s, you'll be digging to your heel, you'll be cutting your heel up like a switchblade. I don't think it's completely as rubbery soft as the Nike SB, but it's better than your traditional Jordan 4. All right. Then inside here, you have Go as well. You don't have like your Nike Air or anything, or Jordan. You got the stuffing, no shoe tree, which you should have that in there. It's supposed to be a premium shoe, so as you can see that inside. Check it out, check it out. So again, it's just a very, very clean shoe. Can't wait to get the other pair, because like I said, it is double up shawty on this. It's gonna be a great year for 4s. I'm excited, I'm excited, I'm excited. Now, on a scale of 5, 1 to 5, 5 being the best, you already know what time it is. This is getting a perfect 5 out of 5. Five out of five. You got me? Now we can argue about it. Well, I don't want to say argue about it, but we can agree to disagree. You let me know. Well, this your cup of tea? Was this shoe overhyped? All right, I want to hear your comments below. Let me know what you think. Are you going after any other 4s? The Nike SB 4s should be next on deck. I didn't see that on Sneakers app, so I don't know how I'm gonna get that. But where there's a will, there's a way. Other than that, thank you for watching this video. Like I said, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe. Until the next one, I'm out.